Hey friends, do you wish to change the language for Google Chrome? For example, the default language is English. Now, one way of changing the language is to simply go to settings while using google.com, click on search settings, and then you can change the language as well. But that is for Google search. Let us say that you wish to change the settings for the whole browser. In this case, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now, select settings from the menu. Go to the language tab on the list on the left hand side. The default language is English. You can click on add languages and let us say you wish to add a language like Hindi. I'll search for Hindi. Click on this, click on add, click on these three dots here and say move to the top. That is it. Now, when you restart Google Chrome, the primary language will be Hindi and not something else. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.